Hi there, and welcome back to Healthy Advice, the channel where your well-being comes first. If you're curious about how your body repairs and recharges itself during sleep, you're going to love what we're talking about today. We all know sleep is essential, right? But did you know that your gut might be chatting with your brain while you're asleep? Yes, that's right. A fascinating new study, published in Science Daily, has uncovered a surprising link between gut activity and brain function during deep sleep, the phase of rest, most responsible for restoration and memory consolidation. Let's dive into the findings. Researchers have discovered that signals from your gastrointestinal system play a role in enhancing your brain's function during non-REM sleep. Non-REM sleep, profound slow-wave sleep, is when your brain clears out waste, strengthens connections between neurons, and stores new information. But here's the twist. The gut isn't just passively resting. It's actively communicating with your brain during this phase. The study showed that certain cells in the gut, known as enteroendocrine cells, send out chemical signals that influence brain activity, particularly the generation of slow-wave activity, those deep sleep waves. We need to feel fully rested and refreshed. And it doesn't stop there. The researchers believe this. Communication between the gut and the brain during sleep could be essential for learning and memory formation. This means your digestive health and your brain function may be more closely tied together than you ever imagined. So what can you do to support this amazing gut-brain connection? 1. Eat a balanced gut-friendly diet. Include fiber-rich foods, fermented products like yogurt or kimchi, and avoid excessive sugar or processed food. 2. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time helps. Your gut and brain sync more effectively. 3. Avoid late-night heavy meals. These can disrupt your digestive rhythms and interfere with sleep. 4. Manage stress. Chronic stress affects both digestion and sleep quality. 5. Stay active. Light to moderate daily activity improves both gut health and deep sleep. It's amazing to think that while you're in dreamland, your gut is playing its role in helping your brain function better the next day. The future of sleep science is looking more exciting than ever, and it all starts in your belly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Healthy Advice for more tips that make your body, mind, and sleep better every day.